My name is Rae Diaz. I'm 23. I've never had a cavity. I want to become a mixed media master, and I love baby carrots. Beauty isn't too much about looks so much as what you have to offer to the people to lift them up as well. Well, I started getting acne pretty early on, around the 5th grade, I believe. I got my first phone when I was 18, and that's, when I downloaded Instagram, Facebook, that's when the real pressure started to build up, when I saw these perfect faces and thought to myself, oh, I'm supposed to look like that too, huh? Well, it definitely negatively impacted me for the longest time. Roughly a year ago, I started following these acne blogs on Instagram. Seeing all these barefaced people, it thrilled me to see them look so organic and normal. It was the first time I saw acne on Instagram. There's so many new apps to remove blemishes. Swipe at your phone and it's gone, and it's a little too easy, and it's frightening to know it's so easy to change a photo like that. So it felt good to finally start, seeking out photos with no alterations whatsoever. That it only takes one lifestyle change to completely alter your skin. I'm sure they're well-meaning. They say, oh, just change your pillowcases, that'll solve everything. They always think there's going to be one thing is going to be the solution, when acne is kind of caused by everything under the sun, caused by stress, diet, general lifestyle, anything, and it's going to be a trial and error because everybody has acne for a different reason. It made me feel nervous when people would get close to me. Like, for a while, when I had acne on my cheeks, I thought I didn't deserve a kiss on the cheek, and later on I thought to myself, how sad that I would deny myself something that nice. 2 years ago, I'd find myself just kind of looking in the mirror, kind of like having a mini breakdown, thinking, oh God, what am I gonna do? Every morning I wake up knowing with a 100% chance I'm gonna wake up with a blemish here or there. But I feel perfectly confident right now. Barefaced I'm happy.